What's going on, guys? So I'm going to be going over my light setup on the Crosstrek. Currently I have my low beams on and my 18-inch Diode Dynamics light bar turned on. I made my own brackets to get that installed a little bit just under the grill, and I am able to aim that up a little higher. Currently I have it a little low, as you can see the beam just hitting a little close on the dirt. I just turned it on when I'm on a good stretch of road alone on a few cars, and just helps illuminate a little bit better, and I like it for what it is. So we'll continue down this road and you could see some off-road vehicles, and then I'll turn on my Ridgid DXL Pros for you guys, which are going to be these. You could see how far the beams are shooting. You could even see the rays of light up on just above the glass. I do have the side shooters as well that are Ridgid. I really love those. They just illuminate everything around, as you guys are seeing. Just helps seeing any wildlife around just coming out of the bushes or just stuff like that. And if you're looking for some, I definitely recommend some Ridgid ones. So I'm gonna just kind of keep going down this road. You guys could see this is a very open trail dirt, and then I'll do a comparison versus a little bit tighter as we get down to the bottom of Sycamore in Arizona. So some of you guys may be familiar with this area. So, and this is a voiceover as well, just because a lot of the first half of the audio was not that good. So just keep that in mind, and I'll leave some of the original as it gets closer to where I thought it was okay. So you guys could see how those side shooters really helped out right there. Just, you know, you can even see the people. So alright guys, here we go. So right now what this will be more of a view of is just a little bit of more tighter dirt road. The other one as you're coming down is typically a little bit more open, and right here we've got all these bushes, and I'm able to see really good without any issues. And we'll just keep going down, and hopefully they're able to see what I'm seeing in person. Do want to do is add a wind flaring, if I'm correct, up on the basket where I have the lights mounted, and that way it serves like a little cap maybe, where I am having a little bit of a light glare on the glass. I am thinking that would eliminate some of that light that's being right now these are just the side shooters or the ditch lights, however you prefer to call them. They do give that wide spread. They shoot up pretty far as well. It's not terrible. You could probably hear the dirt bike. But I'll go ahead and turn on the spots one more time. As you can see, it shoots it way out there. So it's pretty much the lighting. And I do have another video that I'm going to try to throw in, and it's just showing how I mounted the pod lights. And I don't think I mentioned the name of the parts. I might put them down on the description if I could actually find them, and just because I bought them off of a local off-road shop. So anyhow, I hope that this kind of helps anybody looking into getting any lights like this. It shoots it way out there, and it's definitely bright. So I'm out here in Payson. It's the first time I get to drive the Subaru out here in some snow. Might as well take the time to kind of go over the pod lights that I just installed up on the roof rack. They are rigid spotlights, DXL Pros, and then down below I have the diode dynamics in amber turned on. I'll come right over here. I'll show how I installed them. Basically clamped onto this, I want to say this is a 2-inch bar right here. So then I just ran everything through the back. I still need to clean that up, trying to figure how I want that. And so far they've been great. Definitely at night. This is the daytime, and they're really just bright. I also used this KC wire hide along this edging, and basically runs down below and right underneath there, and so it kind of, well, it just hides that wire really good. You can't really tell that it's there. Think about what else I could say about the lights. I might just try to get another 2 to have a set of 4, just because I do like to drive out at night, and hopefully I'll get a video of that for you guys as well. These are the all-terrains. First time on the snow with these as well, so it's a good amount coming through. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see how this goes.